शिवपञ्चाक्षर श्लोकम् मन्दाकिनी सलिलसन्दनसर्चिदाय नन्दीश्वर ब्रह्मनाथ महेश्वराय मन्दारमुख्यबहुपुष्पसुभिताय तस्मै महाराय नमः शिवाय.
Namaste children. Today in EVS class we are going to continue with the same lesson, water. Before getting into today's topic, we are going to recall what you have learned in the last class.
Yes children, why do we need water? நம்மளுக்கு எதுக்கு தண்ணி தேவைப்படுது? Yes, what the boy is doing here, he is taking his bath with the help of water. So we need water for bathing, drinking, cleaning vehicles, and then cooking, then brushing our teeth, then washing vessels. We use water in our daily routine work. Not only humans but also plants and animals need water to grow and survive. Today let's see where does water come from. Do you know where we get water from? நம்மளுக்கு எங்க தண்ணி கிடைக்குது, எதில இருந்து தண்ணி கிடைக்குது தெரியுமா? Yes, we get water mainly from rain, and this rainwater fills the river and then lake, and then finally this water moves to the sea and ocean. Now tell me, where do we get water from? Yes, we get water mainly from rain, and then it fills the river, then it fills the lake, and also we take water from well and hand pump. It is groundwater. We also use this water for our daily routine work. We use only pure water to drink. See the picture here, how the water is. It is very dirty. Do we drink this water? No. Why, ma? It is very dirty. If we drink the dirty water, what will happen? Yes, we may fall sick. So, we must drink clean water to stay healthy. Then, see. Have you all went to the beach? How the water is? Yes, it is very salty. Do we drink sea water? No, we do not drink sea water because it is very salty. Then, water is very important to do our daily routine work. So, we have to save water. Water is very precious. Without water, we cannot live. Now, let's see how to save water. Here, the man is watering the plant with the heavy flow of water. Is it right? No. Instead of this, we can use jug or mug to watering the plant. This is the way to save water. Then, here the girl is brushing her teeth without closing the tap. Is it right? No. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. That is the correct way. If you are not using the water, you can close the tap. Then, here the man is cleaning his car with heavy flow of water. Is it right? No. Instead of this, we can use bucket of water to clean the vehicles. If you want to save the water, always slow the flow of water. It helps us to save water. Don't waste the water. Water is very precious. We have to save the water for our future. I hope you all are clear with the concept.
Today's sight words are first one water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Second one live, L-I-V-E, live. Third one cook, C-O-O-K, cook. Fourth one drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. Fifth one surrounding, S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, surrounding. Sixth one salty, S-A-L-T-Y, salty. Seventh one swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Eighth one E-A-R-T-H, earth. Children, write these words in your classwork note. Thank you, children.